One of the things God's doing right now is waiting for an organization like My Faith Votes to tell the story of what God is doing in this country. God is using this moment to use organizations like My Faith Votes to remind us that we have to be a part of this process. We have to get our voice heard.
Be a part of the process. Visit donate.myfaithvotes.org and make a donation today. You can help My Faith Votes ensure that Christians get out and vote.
In my lifetime, I have never seen a president of the United States have a top 3 list as good as these, including Ronald Reagan and George Herbert Walker Bush, George W. Bush. I'm very, very impressed. The top of my list is the first, Neil
Gorsuch.
Neil Gorsuch. He is academically very highly respected. You can't get higher in terms of academics and reputation. He's also very deep in his thinking, particularly with regard to the sanctity of human life. Not just rhetorically, or not just because of a clause he said or a little phrase he said in one of his opinions, but in his writings where he's talked about the dignity of human life in a very deep way. And his understanding of the Constitution, he is a Scalia take 2, and he actually an even more Scalia than Scalia.
Interesting.
Because there's something called the Chevron doctrine. I'm not going to get too much into these details, but the Chevron doctrine basically says that if Congress passes a law, then the bureaucrats, they have a lot of discretion in sort of filling in the gaps and doing what they want to do. That's the Chevron doctrine. And Scalia pretty much signed off on that. But Neil is not so quick to do that. And he is much more careful to limit the authority and the autonomy of the bureaucrats to decide for themselves what Congress was trying to say.